Alright, bitches. Woo! Howdy ho, mofos. Cheers, big ears. What we got going on this afternoon? We're on rain watch. Don't want it to rain. Smoking something. Alright. We're gonna make some homemade tzatziki sauce. Because I love tzatziki sauce. And homemade is good. Homemade is always much more gooder, bitches. Really simple to do. Need some dill, some olive oil, probably about a fucking 2 tablespoons, half a cup of sour cream, a cup and a half of Greek yogurt, salt and pepper, 1 English cucumber, which we need to peel and grate. Use the cheese grater. 3 cloves of garlic. That's about it. So let's mince up the garlic, cut some dill, and I'll come back when this has been grated up. Woo! RTFO, mofos. Woo! All right, bitches. We're all grated up. Right on. Now get some coarse salt, some pickling salt, or whatever you like. But don't use table salt. And, I don't know. That's about enough. Sprinkle that on top of there. And then set this aside for about 15 minutes. This will help get rid of excess water. And that's a good thing. We don't want this thing like soup, right? Want a little bit more here. Good enough. Okay? So I'll be back in about 15 minutes. Get this, we're going to need this again. Get this the dill ground or minced up, and the garlic minced up. And drink. Gonna have another beer. Woo! Tzatziki is Vault Boy and Vault Girl and Vault Boy approved and Bastard approved. RTFO, mofos. Gonna have to get some lamb so I can make some souvlaki's. All right. RTFO, mofos. Alright, bitches. It's been about 15 minutes. We got another fucking beer happening. Whoa. Drink up, buttercup. Ah, yummy. Alright. Here's our cucumber. Look at all that water in there, eh? It's almost like when you're making sauerkraut, eh? Shred up that cabbage and put some salt on it and voila! Alright. We'll use this in a minute. Okay. Greek yogurt. Let's use about a cup and a half. Mmm. Yummy. Mmm. Okay. So, about a cup and a half, eh? Get in there. Bitchy. Let's brew. Hey, you. Let's brew. Hey, you. Let's brew. Hey, you. Let's brew. There you go. It's about a cup and a half. Give or take. Okay. Half a cup of sour cream. There you go. No name. Old style. I hate the fact they changed the label on the no name. Good enough. Insane. Mix her up. Give her a mix of fucking roux. Pokeroo. Nice. Okay. Garlic. Get in there. Bitch it. And twitch it. Okay. Enough for you. Pepper. Gotta like the pepper, eh? Freshly ground. I'll probably use a little more than that. Come on. Okay, good enough. Maybe more, maybe not. Some salt. Good enough. Dill. That's enough for now. We'll see. Give her a mixaroo, buckaroo. Okay. Give her a little shot of olive oil too. Probably about 2 tablespoons. Tablespoon and a half, something like that. Good enough. 1 to 1.5. Okay. Now, cucumbers. We're gonna strain as much water out of these fuckers as we can. Use your hands. Okay. Squish. Okay. Don't throw that out. Okay. Good enough. Not finished with that yet. What I'm gonna do, got a jar here, funnel, strain. Okay. All right. Good enough. Away with you. Now, what are we going to do with this? Well, we're going to take some water and fill it up. Boom. And fill it right up to the top. Good enough. Put a fucking lid on it. Put it in the fridge. Then you got a nice, refreshing cucumber water for on a hot fucking day. Bam! Very refreshing and tasty. There you go, bitches. Fucking do it. You'll like it. I know you will. Might put a bit more yogurt in. We'll see. Yeah, maybe a little more yogurt. Not much. Okay. Yeah, there you go. I can save that dill for later on. Give her a taste-a-roo, eh? Fuck me. That's fucking amazing. Woo! Doesn't need anything else. Perfect. Alright. I'm gonna load some into a container and bring some to the neighbors. And then I'll put the rest in a container and put it in the fridge. There you go. Simple tzatziki. Fucking yummy. Woo! RTF Homophones. How about that, bitches? Woo! RTF Homophones.